आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ नाउ 24/7। ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।
कांग्रेस नेता सचिन पायलट ने वैश्विक व्यापारिक परिस्थिति के संदर्भ में भारत की रणनीति पर विचार प्रकट करते हुए कहा कि यदि हम आगे बढ़ने के लिए विवेकपूर्ण निर्णय नहीं लेते तो भारत को महत्वपूर्ण अवसरों से वंचित होना पड़ सकता है। उन्होंने कहा कि वर्तमान में चीन के निर्यात में जो शून्यता उत्पन्न हो रही है उसका लाभ भारत उठा सकता है। हालांकि इसके लिए आवश्यक है कि भारत की नीति सूक्ष्म, संतुलित और सभी हितधारकों की सहभागिता से तैयार की जाए। उन्होंने सुझाव दिया कि इस विषय पर ठोस चर्चा होनी चाहिए जिसमें सरकार, विपक्ष, व्यापार निकाय और अन्य संबद्ध पक्ष शामिल हों। पायलट ने ये भी इंगित किया कि अमेरिका में राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को घरेलू दबावों के चलते कुछ निर्णयों को स्थगित करना पड़ा है, जबकि मैक्सिको, कनाडा और यूरोपीय संघ ने प्रतिकारात्मक टैरिफ लागू कर दिए हैं। इस वैश्विक परिप्रेक्ष्य में भारत की भूमिका एक बड़े वैश्विक खिलाड़ी के रूप में उभरी है और हमारी उपस्थिति अब पहले से कहीं अधिक प्रभावशाली है। ऐसे में भारत को अपने आर्थिक हितों की रक्षा हेतु समन्वित और दूरदर्शी नीति अपनानी चाहिए।
The business community around the world, and India I think stands to lose a lot if we don't have the most prudent steps going forward, and we can also take advantage of the space that may be vacated perhaps by Chinese exports. But I think our policy has to be nuanced, it has to be curated by taking all stakeholders on board, a substantive discussion on how to move forward. So far Mexico, Canada have imposed counter tariffs. China is taking US to WTO, taken into court. European Union has also announced tariffs. Donald Trump has actually now held back for 3 months because of the internal pressures. At this time, India is a much larger global player, and I think our footprint is much bigger than it was, some time ago. So we really should be moving forward, and the government really should be engaging with discussions within Parliament, opposition parties, stakeholders, trade bodies, and figure out what is in our self-interest. India's economic interest has to be protected. We have to ring fence what will be the fallout of the markets getting hit by low exports. Tens of millions of jobs will be at stake. There will be a huge problem in the coming months, and we must act proactively. So far, the response has been very inadequate. In fact, there's been hardly any response. To say wait and watch is a policy, I don't think it's a policy at all. We must be proactive, take steps so that we can protect our export manufacturing and lakhs of jobs.
Should there be discussion with the opposition parties, and should they?
I think all important issues of national interest must be discussed threadbare within Parliament and with opposition, with everybody who has a role to play, who can contribute, because this is not an issue of just BJP or Congress. It's a national issue, and just after the bilateral visit that happened with the Prime Minister going to Washington, it was kind of known this is coming. I don't think we did enough to kind of navigate ourselves out of this. We've been hit by some very steep tariffs, and we must reciprocate adequately. Now, what that strategy should be, that's for the government to decide. But in every circumstance, we have to protect the Indian economic interests.
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।